You can't judge a book by its cover. This means that you cannot determine the true qualities, characteristics, or value of someone or something based solely on outward appearance. This idiom has been in use since at least the mid-19th century and serves as a metaphorical reminder that appearances can be deceptive and that deeper evaluation is necessary to understand true worth. For example, she may seem quiet, but you can't judge a book by its cover. She's actually very adventurous. Or, the restaurant doesn't look fancy, but you can't judge a book by its cover. The food is amazing.